If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is capable of measuring heart rate variability, or HRV, then the answer is yes. I mean, the Samsung Health app collects that information, and of course we do have Samsung Health app on Galaxy Watch 9 as well. And you can use your smartphone that is paired with Galaxy Watch 9 to get that information. So if you go to Vitals over here and choose the Vitals tile, then in here you might be able to find some information about, for example, HRV if it's relevant. You can tap on this button here in the upper right corner to get more details, more data about your vitals. And as you can see here, we can actually switch to the HRV category, which should allow you to get some more information if it's collected. And you can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner to go to About Vitals. And as you can see here, we do have the information about the sleeping heart rate variability. It's collected with the Samsung Health app. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.